DocuSign offers multi-channel delivery, which enables you to send envelopes through various channels, including email, SMS, and WhatsApp. With multi-channel delivery, you can reach signers wherever they are, in the way they prefer, through real-time notifications sent directly to their mobile device. It's simple to use and requires no integrations, just your DocuSign account, an email, and a phone number. You can use multi-channel delivery for a variety of scenarios where you want to reach your signers faster. To enable multi-channel delivery, e-signature administrators can navigate to Sending settings. Then check the boxes to allow SMS delivery and WhatsApp delivery to recipients. Remember to click Save when finished. Additionally, administrators need to enable the SMS permission in all existing permission profiles in order to fully enable the setting. To send an envelope via SMS, add your documents. Then under Add Recipients, select the SMS checkbox. Enter the recipient's email and mobile phone number in the field provided. To send via WhatsApp, select the WhatsApp checkbox. You can combine a messaging app delivery method with email delivery, but you cannot use WhatsApp and SMS delivery together for a recipient. Add the desired fields to your envelope and click Send when finished. Depending on your chosen delivery method, recipients will receive an SMS message, an email notification, or a WhatsApp notification. When signers open the link via text message or WhatsApp, the envelope will open in the DocuSign mobile app if installed, or in their preferred browser. They can then review the documents and complete the fields assigned to them. Once all fields are complete, the signer can select Finish and the process is complete. As with email delivery, signers will receive an SMS message or a WhatsApp notification with a link to the completed document when they are finished signing. Start using multi-channel delivery to provide an easy, streamlined experience for your customers that speeds up the pace of opening and signing documents.